How good is Google Guarantee for you? Do you know what Google Guarantee, Google Verified and Google Screen means? It means that Google verifies that you are a trusted vendor to do business with, and Google guarantees that you are. Thus, it becomes a huge form of recommendation by the search engine itself, and is a great gesture on the part of Google to do this for our local business community. More than 70 types of businesses can now qualify for local services ads. Google says, help your business stand out with a badge of Trust Verified badges can help your business stand out even more. These badges help potential customers feel confident booking your services, knowing you're a fully licensed and vetted Google-backed business. To learn more on how you can get recommended by Google and profit from the trend, connect with us. More leads by being recommended by Google. Being recommended by Google is a big deal. You get shown on the first page of Google as soon as the search page is open. And you are also one of the first 2 or 3 with a Google green check mark saying you are okay to work with, increasing people's trust in you, and the quality of your leads improves. Next, we'll talk about improving your brand value and the cost of local service ads. I'd love to know your thoughts on this and what questions you can think of. I'll express my gratitude by doing something nice for you.